Hot apple cider breathing. Imagine you are holding a hot cup of apple cider in your hands. Imagine the sweet, spicy smell of apples and cinnamon. It is too hot to drink right away. Close your eyes and take a big, long smell of your hot cider. Blow gently on your cider to cool it off. Breathe in through your nose as you smell your cider. Blow on your cider to cool it off. Smell. Blow. Smell. Blow. Smell. Blow. Repeat 6 times, smelling for 5 seconds and blowing for 5 seconds. Let us know if you try out hot cider breathing.